Once upon a time, there was a bustling borough known as Bunnies Bay. An enchanting place filled with rabbits who had tufty, spaghetti-like tails, and loved organizing delightful parties under the soft, glowing marshmallow moon. Our story begins with the annual Marshmallow Moon Fiesta. Mrs. Carotti, the local baker bunny, was highly occupied. Magic Hopper, the storyteller, was practicing his retelling of the Midnight Star's favorite bedtime joke. Why did the constellation take a nap? Because it needed some space. All the bunnies of the burrow would chuckle and then, dismissing the sneaky sleep spells the stars were casting, would hop to bed. In the heart of the town center, there was a peculiar tree named Whispering Willow. She was wise, known for her knowledge on the magic food that made all bunnies strong and healthy. Today, she was teaching Memi and Femjuice, two adventurous spaghetti bunnies, about sparkle broccoli, magic food which gave super strength. They promised to share this insane secret with their new alien friend, Zarkle, from the candy cane constellation, who was visiting for the fiesta. Suddenly, trouble brewed. The marshmallow moon seemed to have lost its glow. The spaghetti bunnies stirred. They needed to light up their moon by the start of the fiesta or their fun night would be lost in the dark. The bunnies thought, twirled, and hopped around in nervous circles. Then, Memi had a wild idea. What if we rubber bounce up to the moon? Zarkle could toss us since he has sparkle broccoli super strength. It was ridiculous, but it might work. Sharing a sparkle broccoli with Zarkle, they each became oddly strong. With a playful wee, they rubber bounced all the way to the marshmallow moon and tickled it back to brightness with their soft spaghetti tails. The moon giggled, glowing brighter than ever. Zarkle's alien pals played their glissando harps, and all the spaghetti bunnies, united in their mission, danced under the marshmallow moon, singing and chomping their healthy treats, celebrating their successful silly escapade. The burrow was filled with joy and teachable chaos. Despite the fantastic madness, the spaghetti bunnies always remembered to respect each other, nature, and the universe, proving that even in a whimsical world, the heart always shines brightest.